Today I'll be teaching you how to make money at your local dog park with some steak and a disguise. Step 1 is to find a hiding spot. Now, open up that steak. The dogs are gonna smell it. That smells good. I better go find some. As soon as that dog comes over, you give him a piece of that steak and you scoop him up. The next step is easy. Get the hell out of there. People are gonna be upset, so you better go quick. But once you get that dog home, it is smooth sailing. You're gonna wanna hang out for a few days at home while the dog's owners prepare posters. The next step for you is to start smoking. On one of your smoke breaks, you might discover one of the posters in your neighborhood with information about the dog's owners. You can just go ahead and rip that thing down. No one else is gonna need it. You're the one who has the damn dog. When you return the dog wearing new clothes, don't bring up where you got it. They'll likely be so happy they'll just pay you without even asking. And that is how you turn your local dog park into cold hard cash. Now get the hell out of there!